There's a problem with every single skill development strategy. Every single one. Ignore this reality and you'll struggle to optimally develop skills. Hi everyone, Andrew here, helping you help your swimmers get faster. This is a quick fire controversy where I tackle controversial topics in swimming skill development, and I'll let you know what I think. If there's one you want covered, drop it in the comments below. When using any sort of drill or skill development strategy, we're changing how swimmers move through the water. We often tend to focus on the benefit of the strategy we're using. But if we're asking swimmers to emphasize some aspect of the stroke to help them learn, by definition, we're de-emphasizing another aspect of the stroke. There's a cost to every strategy we use, and if we ignore that cost, we're going to have problems. As an example, kicking with a board can help to develop the legs and improve kicking skill. It can also negatively impact body position. Using a stroke count can help swimmers learn to get longer. It can also have a negative impact on stroke rate. Swimming with a closed fist can help swimmers learn to use the forearm more effectively, but it also de-emphasizes the role of the hand. And the hand is obviously pretty important for fast swimming. For every single strategy you use, the same is true. It's really important to know why you're using a specific strategy. It's also really important to consider the negative effects your approach might be having. When you're aware of the negative effects, you're a lot more likely to prevent them from happening. Either you'll avoid overusing the strategies, or you'll find ways to reduce the impact of the negative effects that strategy might have. So let's say you're using a kickboard with breaststrokers to develop their kick. The kick is obviously really important in breaststroke, and using a board can help swimmers develop both their skill and their fitness. But there is the issue of body position. If you're doing a lot of work to improve alignment in breaststroke, it's probably a non-issue. You can still get great leg development, and because of the other work, you're still going to get better alignment as well. But if you're not working on alignment and you're not aware of the potential issues that are happening with the board, you could run into a lot of problems without ever realizing what happened. So I always try to think about the strategies that I'm using. I want to have a great reason for why I'm going to use it, and I want to be aware of the potential negative impacts of using that strategy. I try to make sure that those negative impacts are not significant, and if they are, I find a way to minimize their impact. Again, there are no perfect strategies. We have to do something, so we have to make the best with what we've got. Just like there are no perfect skill development strategies, if you want to know more about how there's no such thing as a perfect stroke count or stroke rate, check out the video here. And if you want to learn more about how there's no such thing as perfect timing, check out the video here.